PENGU Game app. It's going viral on Snapchat. So here, if you just go and search for PENGU, here's how it looks like. It's about raising virtual pets with your friends or colleagues. Yep. So you can install home screen widgets and lock screen widgets, and basically, yeah, that's the main idea of the app. That if you like Tamagotchis, digital pets, pet simulators, PENGU offers a unique mix of low care games and entertainment. Raise a pet with your friends and add it as a widget. So yeah, here you have it. You just open it up, create an account, and then the idea is that you need to go and invite your friend to be able to raise a pet. So you can't raise a pet alone, only with your friend. So you just invite your friend for co-parenting, and then you just give access to your contacts, send a link, and then when your friend accepts the link, you can raise a pet together. So then here's how it looks like. It's like Tamagotchi, you just here you just need to take care of it. You give it some love, and you need to make sure that on the bottom right all the hearts are full. This way the pet will survive. And then you also need to to play some games with it. Unfortunately, there are a bit of annoying ads in this app. If you want to remove ads in the PENGU app, you'll need to upgrade. So then basically you just play some different games. So basically whatever you want to spend your time as, and then you can just move all of this stuff around. For example, that's like the game you can play, and then you receive 2 coins, and then you can play the next level. So this just like depends how you want to spend the time with the pet, and so that's the idea. And then so for example, these are the games. And then you can chat with your friend here, and it's not enough for you just to take care of the pet. Your friend also needs to take care, so you're just kind of doing it together. So it can be a nice idea, for communicating with the friend in the interesting way, or with your partner. Just, you install the a home widget of this pet. You see how healthy your pet is, and then you're just taking care of it. If you want to remove ads, it's quite cheap actually. It's just $9 one-time payment. So not a subscription, just one time. And then you just need basically to buy all the kind of food for the coins for your pet. And then just there is some more expensive food. And then you just give it to your pet. And then the bottom you will see how your pet is fed. That's the idea. And then you see the level of your pet. You can just can reach different levels, different settings. You can change name. So you can delete the account, delete the pet, and then you're just having fun with it. So that's the idea. It's pretty cool, fun app. You can just pet it as well. So you can also give the pet some cuddles. So try it out. Pretty cool app.